Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry cream cheese pound cake. You'll start by adding your flour to your bowl, and then you'll add in the cream cheese. After that, you'll add in the butter, and then you'll begin stirring all of these ingredients together. And if the butter and cream cheese are not room temperature, you may need to soften them a little bit. Then you can use a hand mixer to mix all of that together, and then you'll add in your lime zest. After that, you'll fold in your blueberries so that you don't accidentally crush them. And then once all of that's done, you'll pour it into a pan. You'll need a parchment-lined pan that's roughly 9 by 6. Then, once all of that is flattened, you'll begin on your frosting. For your frosting, you're gonna need powdered sugar and butter. You'll combine both those ingredients, and then you'll add in the cream cheese and combine all of that together. You'll also need some vanilla. Once it starts to take on the consistency of the frosting, you're ready. Set that aside and remove your pound cake from the oven. Let it cool for about an hour and a half, and then remove it from the pan using the parchment paper. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and ice it as long as it's cool. For more recipes, head over to www.thefriendlyfox.co.